The Indian automotive industry is the fourth largest market in the world. India is becoming an export hub for many automotive manufacturers like Maruti, Hyundai, Kia, among many others. It's not just the MNC who have set up base. Indian manufacturing companies too are making waves. Tata Motors bought Jaguar Land Rover and Mahindra acquired Ssangyong Motors Company, signaling the growing ambition. Now countries across the world are appreciating the quality of the Indian brands in terms of build quality and affordability. We are going to list top 4 Indian SUVs used by law enforcement agencies across the world. Number 1. Mahindra Scorpio, Sri Lanka and Italy. Sri Lankan, Maldives, Philippines and Italy getaway cops use a Mahindra Scorpio. The police force has purchased as many as 485 units of the Scorpio in L Extreme in Sri Lanka. Mahindra Scorpio is also used by the Indian police in crime prevention. Number 2. Mahindra XUV 500, South Africa. The Scorpio is not the only Mahindra SUV that is popular among the police force of foreign countries. The XUV 500 is the official cop car of the South African police force. It comes in the W8 trim and has been equipped with 4WD. Powered by a 2.2-litre M-Hawk engine, BS6 Mahindra XUV 500 generates a maximum power output of 153 bhp and peak torque of 360 Nm. Transmission duties are handled by a 6-speed manual gearbox along with a 6-speed automatic transmission which is optional. Number 3. Mahindra Enforcer, Bolero Camper, Bhutan. Even the Bhutanese security forces use a Mahindra Enforcer. The Enforcer is based on the Bolero and offers a 4-cylinder 2.5-litre turbo diesel engine that's capable of producing up to 100 HP and 240 Nm of torque. 4WD is optional. Number 4. Tata Safari Storm. The Tata Safari Storm is the main cop car of the Algerian police force. Akin to the Mahindra Scorpio, the Safari offers a good mix of performance, cabin comfort, off-roading capabilities and affordability, which has made it the choice of the Algerian police force. Here's the interesting part. If you look at the list closely, you'll get to know that 3 out of 4 cars used by the law enforcement agencies are from Mahindra. That's it folks for today's video. We hope that you enjoyed watching it. If you did, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel for more similar content and click on the notification button to be notified whenever we upload new videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.